Whoa, slidey. Be careful, Jables.
Hey, thank you.
Jables. You're getting yeah, you're a little too brave, I think, my friend. So look at this mini disaster that could have easily occurred.
No way of survival. I got you almost. I'm going to get you.
Whee!
I'm going to find you, and when I find you, I'm going to kill you all.
Watch what you say.
I do all the way. I do all the way.
Hey, thank you. I got a good one. I'm going to tickle you until you sing so loud.
Whee!
Dead rise up and help me tickle you.
Not quite as fun. Do what?
In there, in the hallway.
Why would you do that? We don't play upstairs in the hallway. Do we? We don't even climb up on the stairs, do we? Monkey.
What is up with your red little cheeks? You're like a little Pokemon. You got those big furry cheeks, and you got your little red cheeks and your cute little nose.